Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ubah senyap halang dhar bulong sembut mendirang ba Jong ka Sarkar Jilla. Ubakmi ikatanat penroisor hakar penyotrik lalingkot arajar pausan. Bula Kular ban khot yakran ya keseng ki Nongdie Madan na kebenta banyak Pynbeit ya ki Jingeh ki Jong ki. Kediga Jing Kular Jong sembut mendirang ba kalong hadin bagi Nongdie Madan ki badan hapok ksatri Jong ka Meghalaya and Greater Shillong Progressive Hawkers and Street Vendors Association. Kelaberngan ban penlong na ka Jingeh ki lada ka Provisional Town Vending Committee ke fia ban khot penlong no ka Jingeh lang ka bekir ki.
All this hawker, everything we will do it accordingly as per law only. There is no issue on it. Simple as that. We will try to take everybody on board, but yes, if there is some complication, we will solve it together. That is not an issue. Government is doing everything as per law. Point number one. Yes, even though we are not only based as per law, we always try to take them into confidence. That is point number one. And number two, yes, it may be issue they made in like some few places, and even further. So we are ready to try to see adjust here and there. See after that, we will see. Not confirm or confirm, we will see. We will see first. Meeting the stakeholder is always the door is open. Okay, and the mind of government is simply yes, we want to relocate at least few important places for the betterment of the city and for the convenience of the public. Yes, if there is any resist from their side, we will try to dialogue them properly. We will dialogue, no problem on that. We will dialogue properly with the hawker, no issue. They are most welcome if they come and meet us. There is no issue on that.
Kapor kaladay, Pynbeit yaki MDC Jongpi Shaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, but ka Jingeh Hills Autonomous District Council. Ayu kinle lada ki job ke ka thong ka bakidon ki kiman ki bakongsan ki bakibu hakman kita ki de ki jingkeli ki bafidon kam man yo ya ka jubab haswa Pynbeit ban tap ya ka vote Jongpi haka arpwoi tarik urampang arajar arpsan baik ya ka program markman pat ki kertong